The statement, "Law is the body of principles recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice," was given by John Salmond. This definition explains law in a practical and simple way. 1. Meaning in simple language. Law is a collection of rules, ideas, and principles which the state accepts and which courts use while deciding cases to ensure justice between people. 2. Explanation of each part. I. Body of principles. Law is not just strict orders. It includes rules made by legislature, acts, customs followed by society, judicial decisions, case laws, general principles like fairness and equality. So, law is a complete system of principles. 2. Recognized by the state. Not every rule becomes law. Only those rules which the state accepts are considered law. Example, a social custom becomes law only when the state recognizes it. 3. Applied by the state. Law is not just written, it must be used in real life. Courts apply these rules when disputes arise. 4. Administration of justice. The main aim of law is justice. Courts use law to decide what is right and wrong and to give fair decisions. 3 key features of this definition. Law is practical, not theoretical. Courts play a central role. Justice is the ultimate goal. Law includes more than just commands. 4. Importance of courts, with example. Case, Dono v. Stevenson. Simple facts. A woman found a dead snail in a bottle and became ill. She sued the manufacturer. What court did? The court created a new rule called duty of care. Meaning, a manufacturer must ensure their product is safe for consumers. Connection with definition. This rule was developed by the court. It was applied to deliver justice. It shows law as principles applied in administration of justice. Conclusion. This definition explains law as a living system of principles used by courts to achieve justice. It is more practical and realistic because it shows how law actually works in society. Therefore, it is widely accepted.